Who's ready for a room update? You guys remember when I told you about the time where I went to go swimming with the alligators? I cleaned the bathroom before we left, and the toilet started to flood, and water got all over my rug, and my room smelled like wet dog. Yeah, well, this is how far we're at, and I'm so excited because we're closer than ever before. The kids have been helping so much. Jonas has officially learned how to put flooring. I'm so excited because these are life skills that he's gonna need in the future. You guys don't underestimate your kids. Teach them while you can. So far, we got the wall painted, crown molding, part of the flooring put down, and Sam has also added framing to the middle of the wall. I love it, you guys. I love it so much. This is my dream bedroom, and I know it takes time, but I'm getting a little impatient, you guys. I need to get my bed out of the living room and back into this bedroom, but we're almost there. I just gotta stay calm and stay calm.